This video is on standard FIFC 7A, graph linear and quadratic functions, and show intercepts, maxima, and minima. This video is going over graphing from y equals mx plus b form. When you are graphing, the most important thing to know is the order in which we use our information. So we're still going to be using our y equals mx plus b to guide us. Remember, m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. Following the steps here, you see that step 1 is b for beginning. So we are going to start with our b. In this problem, it is -1. That means on our graph, we are going to put a point at -1 on the y-axis. Remember, the y is the axis that goes up and down. Step 2 is m for move. So we're going to look at our slope. 2 over 3. That means we're going to go up 2 over 3. So going up 2 over 3 from my orange point gives me this new point. Once we have that, all you need to do is connect them with a straight line. And that would be our graph. So you start with b for beginning, plot the y-intercept, m for move, use the slope, connect the dots. Here's our first example. We're going to start with b for beginning. Our b, our y-intercept, is 1. So on the y-axis, you put a point at 1. Next, m for move. Our slope is 2. Since it's just 2, that is 2 over 1. We're going to go up 2 over 1 to get our second point. If you wanted to do it a few times, you could, but you do not have to. Once you have 2 points, that is enough information to draw your straight line. Here's another example. Start with b for beginning. Our b is our y-intercept is -2. Put a point on the y-axis at -2. Our slope is the number in front of x. In this one, there's nothing here. Remember, that makes it a 1. So our slope is 1 over 1. Up 1, over 1. Once you have 2 points, connect them with a straight line. Final example, start with our b for beginning. That's our 8. So I'm going to put a point at 8 on the y-axis. Now m for move, my slope is -1 over 2. Because my slope is negative, we're going to go down 1 over 2. And have our point. Connecting those 2 points will get you this line. To check yourself, you could see this one is negative and it looks like it is going down. Remember, from slope face, positive lines go up, negative lines go down. Undefined is straight up and down. 0 is straight across. You can now move on and work on your practice.